wonder where the stars are. Yes, Fabulous Beanu? Someone needs our help? You heard that, Fabulous You. Someone needs our help. Who would you like to rescue now? All right. Fabulous Toopy speaking. There's a problem over there. To the rescue! Hi, Mr. Squirrel. Do you need help? Oh, you want to play, but you don't know what to do. Oh, that's easy. I'll think of something. I got it! Let's play the flying game. I just need to think hard and voila! I got wings! Look, Mr. Squirrel, you have your own wings now. See how easy it is? Time to fly! I know, we'll fly all